Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I am Mam Goma and we learn isiZulu in this channel. Today I just thought I should share something special that happened in our family. We had a little ceremony for our first daughter, Akisu, and it's one of the ceremonies that I would try and find time to share here. It's one of the ceremonies that the Zulus celebrate, and we were lucky to have had to experience it with our first daughter. It's such an amazing ceremony and a blessing too. Yeah, so it took me some time to share it because it's one of the things that I wasn't really sure how to share it and how to put it in a way that you can also feel and share the same experience, and how much special this ceremony was. This is our first daughter, Akisu, and we did a ceremony called Umhlonyani. And like I've said, I think I need to make a separate video to explain what it's all about. For now, I just want to share the special day, or let me say days, that we had for our not so low girl. And this group here, her cousins, friends, yeah, I would say my very special kids who came through to celebrate with us. And in this picture, it's all the girls who braved themselves in the cold winter morning and went to the river to have their bath on the day of the celebration. I hope you'll enjoy it. I'll just let the videos, the singing, the dancing, do all the talking now. Enjoy. thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. Oh, and before I forget, here in this photo, it's my other two daughters, Imani and Asante. Thank you so much for watching. I'll try and do a little bit of explanation about Umhlonyane on the next video. And also, they have uploaded more videos from this celebration on their YouTube channel. It's called Akani Kids. I will put a link on the description below so you can go and see more of the videos from the celebration. Thank you.